This is the follow-up to removing rust with vinegar. It's been a couple of days, and I don't know if you remember what this looked like. This is one of the tubes we had in here. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Now it's not as clean as this one. This one here is the main one. I've worked on this one. You can see in there, I guess it's really quite clean. The way I did that is when it came out of the vinegar, I ran this down it to get the chunks, and then with the sandpaper, etc. Took a few passes. I would take it out and put it back in. You see the vinegar is pretty dirty. So I would say yes, it works. It doesn't automatically fall off. You do have to put some elbow grease into it. And what I realized was that this one here, you can see, it would take a lot more grease. And the thing is, when it's together, you still have to put a piece of hose on the bottom. So I figured, why not just get a longer hose? I'll put the hose here and run it down into the tank. And that's the plan now. I also, I'm going to install the gas tank now. I also took this off. This is the brake hose, the fuel line, and I thought I have to replace it, but actually it's in real good shape, and I ran some gas through it and it's clean. So I'm going to run under the van right now just to show you the gas tank and how quick this is going to be. Or well, the process is simple, but I don't know how quick it's going to be. Let me get in here real quick. Okay, we're under here now. You can see here, this is the hose that will hook up to the filler tube, and it comes in right here at the gas tank. So that's going to be interesting. This is the thing for the gas tank. Now this is where the gas tank goes, and back up in there, that black thing is where the fuel line comes out. The fuel line runs along there. It's good, so it's going to go way up there past the battery. And then it ends just past the battery up there before that tire, and then there's about a 1 foot line to the fuel pump. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an inline filter there to catch any junk that's in this hose, in this fuel line, in case that's a problem. So anyway, I also have to replace put this muffler extension on the back there. I'm going to do that. So the next video, I'm going to take that tank off, and I have to put this in it, which is the send unit, and we should have the tank on. It should be running the fuel filter, and we're about 80% done. So the answer is yes, it works with the little elbow grease. Okay, signing off till the next one. Bye.